The front panel is complete, and now it's time to design the case that will hold everything. This includes the side, bottom, top, and back covers. Plus, I've added my custom JHNYVIONICS logo to the back cover for that extra touch. To make this case sturdy and functional, I'm considering the fit of the front panel, the need for ventilation, and, of course, the aesthetics. I've also added a personal touch to the back cover. Before designing any cover, we need to model the left and right spacer, the ones that will hold in place the interface board, the front panel, and the side covers. These are small pieces but are the most important ones. First, I'll create the side covers to support the structure and align perfectly with the front panel. Now, let's design the bottom and top covers, making sure they're secure yet easy to access. Here is we will decide where to put our control board, the one that we previously designed in the past video. Here's where it gets fun, designing the back cover. I've added my JHNYVIONICS logo and labeled it JHNYVIONICS 2025 CRJ-200 Autopilot panel for that professional finish. The case design is complete. Now, it's ready for 3D printing or CNC cutting. The next step is assembling everything and testing it out. And that's a wrap on designing the full case for my CRJ-200 Autopilot panel. From the side covers to the back panel with my custom JHNYVIONICS logo, every detail is ready for the next step. What do you think? Would you change anything before I 3D print it? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this build, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next step, bringing this panel from the plane to my desk. See you in the next one.